Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can upgrade or downgrade your subscription plan. Step 1. First, go to Settings. Now, under the Billing section, click on Subscription. Now here on this interface, you'll find an option labeled Change Plan. Click on that. You will be redirected to this interface with all the available plans, the basic, the business, and the custom, as well as monthly and annual billing options. Now select the plan that you want to switch to. If you upgrade, the new features activate instantly and you'll be charged the price difference. Now, as in this case, if you downgrade, the change will take effect in your next billing cycle and you'll keep current features until then. Confirm your selection and Calilio will process the update automatically. Once the change is applied, you'll see the updated plan listed in your billing section. You may also receive a confirmation email summarizing the changes. And that's it. If you need any further help, please head on to the live chat box where our support team can help you 24/7. Thanks for watching.